Chefs cook pasta faster than you, and it has nothing to do with rushing. From the outside, it looks like speed, but that is not the real secret. The real secret is that restaurant kitchens remove waiting from the process. At home, pasta cooking starts when you decide to make pasta. In a restaurant, pasta cooking starts long before the order arrives. Water is already hot, pots are already in position, and timing is already planned. That changes everything from the first second. Most people at home begin from zero every single time. You fill the pot, wait for heat, look for salt, and think about the sauce later. That creates delay after delay, and every delay weakens the final result. In restaurants, chefs do the opposite. They build the system before they cook the dish. The water is ready, the pan is ready, and the sauce base is already active. So when pasta starts moving, nothing interrupts the flow. This is why chefs look faster than you. They are not improvising. They are entering a process that is already alive. Another difference is decision speed. At home, people hesitate during cooking. They check the box, taste late, lower the flame, then raise it again. That hesitation costs more than people think. Because pasta changes fast and heat changes even faster. Restaurants remove hesitation too. The chef already knows the pan, the sauce, the finish, and the timing. There is no pause to figure things out in the middle. That makes the whole dish feel sharper and more controlled. Then there is the biggest hidden difference of all. At home, each step happens separately. The water boils, then the pasta cooks, then the sauce gets reheated, then everything is mixed. In restaurants, those steps overlap. The sauce is already moving while the pasta is finishing. The pan is already hot before the pasta leaves the water. The final minute is not separate from the rest. It is the most important part. That is where restaurant pasta gains speed and quality at the same time. Because speed is not the goal. Continuity is the goal. Chefs move faster because they protect continuity. They do not let pasta sit, cool down, or lose energy. They transfer it immediately, finish it immediately, and serve it immediately. At home, even a short delay can flatten the entire dish. A pause of 30 seconds feels small, but in pasta, it changes everything. Heat drops, texture relaxes, starch settles, and the connection weakens. This is why your pasta often feels slower, heavier, and less alive. Not because you are a worse cook, but because your process has too many dead seconds. Restaurant kitchens are built to remove dead seconds. That is the advantage you are really seeing. Not magic, not secret ingredients, and not superhuman chefs. Just a system that protects heat, timing, and movement from start to finish. Once you see that, restaurant speed starts making sense. They are not cooking faster because they move wildly. They are cooking faster because nothing around the pasta is waiting to happen. So the next time you make pasta, do not ask how to move faster. Ask how to remove waiting. Get the water ready, get the pan ready, get the sauce ready, then let the pasta move through the process without interruption. That is the closest thing to restaurant speed you can create at home. And once you do that, your pasta will not just be faster, it will feel more alive.